Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to a lovely bit of God of War 2016, 2018, one of those two numbers. So yeah, I'm just going to jump right in since I'm fairly aware of what we did last time. In the last video, if I'm not mistaken anyway, we discovered the biggest of big giant boys with a lovely chisel embedded in his face that we now need to steal using Kratos' most cunning of plans. But yes, hopefully this loading screen won't take 30 years. However, while we've got this load screen on the go, let me just quickly ask you guys, as always, just if you do enjoy this series or enjoy this video or any of the other videos and series on this channel, leave me a like, comment, subscribe, do all the lovely YouTube things, follow me on Twitter, all that lovely goodness. And yeah, let's just jump right back in. Perfect.
You did well.
Well done, boy. Right.
Boy.
Just having a little fun, you big grump.
Right, I think it's this way, I'm going to assume. Climb along this wall onto this giant's rather large, some would say giant hammer.
A push. Trust me.
Yes, we're going to give it a big old push, boy.
And push with everything.
Yes, sir.
Yes, because I'm sure this 2.5 foot tall child is doing so much here. And this isn't 90% Kratos.
How do we get down?
We jump.
Really?
Yep. Let us go, boy. We will ride it down like men.
Do not panic.
Why would I panic?
That might be why you would panic.
I have you.
Oh, the only plan that Kratos comes up with, and it's suicidal. Almost. Yep.
You're cracked, you know that?
Shush, head.
Good. We should keep moving.
But yes, there you go. That was Kratos' cunning plan. Just knock the giant hammer right into the ground. Which, to be fair, does work as far as I remember. What we got now? What enemies be lurking? Like,
The chisel tip.
20,000 feet into the ice.
Talent for destroying
Well, 20,000 is a bit much.
That head.
never leaves my mind.
Right, oh, round. Down. Ooh, I see a chest. How does... Jesus. No one told me this game had jump scares. Because that actually caught me off guard a little bit, I must admit. Anyway. We continue. Down. Down. Along, perhaps? Perfect. Yeah, this is how we get to me chest. Oh, and yes, as you can see by those subtitles, the two sons of War Thor be lurking about, which ain't good. But we will deal with that shortly, I think. I was going to say, can I please hit the Draga? Right. Now where? I was going to say, it's not up there. Am I dumb? Like, I know in general I'm dumb, but there's nothing round here to do. So I'm going to go.
Those are the guys we saw with Baldur. His nephews?
Aye. Magni and Modi.
Oh, yeah.
Sons of Thor.
There you go.
Mother always said the Aesir were the worst of gods. And
That
Thor
is
was the
true.
worst of the Aesir. Guess he's a terrible father too.
Oh, yeah.
They are no longer children. They have no excuse.
Will Sindri be okay?
They'll never even see him.
Yeah. They're dwarves. Did you not learn anything in the last video, boy? They can turn invisible somehow. So, yeah.
Ah, the great dining hall.
They'll...
Be of all
It'll
the-
be fine, I'm sure.
Funny. I remember there being a massive candelabrum. Really livened up the place.
Right.
Ah, yes.
Break it. Commit some more
Can't help
lovely bit of
can you?
destruction. Steady. Steady, boy. You almost caught your father. There we go. Right. Sap. And I think... Gotta chuck it at this. Yeah, I thought as much. Yeah, I know. You're a big, scary boy. But my runic attacks do... That seemed like a lot of damage. I could be wrong, but that seemed like a lot. I am also going to assume... Well, assume. Right, wolf, definitely not, mate. I'm going to try and grab some sap of the will tree. To see if I can use that. No. That's kind of disappointing. I feel like that could have been a feature. That would have been kind of cool anyway. Allows you to throw the tree sap at him and explode him. Alright. The Stonebeard King's got some moves. Nice. He's yet to hit me, but those little hand movements were kind of cool. Have that. Right. And that. Yeah. Turns out, like, powering up runic attacks. Pretty damn, like, impressive. But he's not really doing much. Like, you're not all that impressive, mate. Have that in your face, in your beard. Stonebeard King. I am the only bearded king here. Yeah, you really do. Oh, damn it. I wondered if they were going to do something else. Apparently, yes. They do an explodey dude. Like, yeah, you can throw that thing about. I'm clicking triangle or Y to try and stamp on that. I've been playing Elden Ring too much, so. And there you go. You're a phony, mate. A big fat phony. You got nothing on Kratos. Give me your face. And hold this for me. No, boy. Definitely not. You don't have an axe. What's this? Boar Stampede. Cool. I think that's a thing for Atreus, but... I think the wolf's probably the better one. I think we can have a few more fights here. If I break that open. Yeah. I want to try and get them all near me so I can do that. That wasn't all of them, but that'll do. Yeah, turns out, like, the runic attacks are pretty good. Balls. I'm really stupendously bad at the parry timings. Whoa. Calm down there, gentlemen. No need to get, I don't know, handsy, I guess. Shit. You know what? Step away. Step away from the me. I think this fight was optional anyway. I don't know if you have to do it. Ow. I'm getting mangled here. Yikes. Whoa. Okay then. What the fuck's going on? That I literally couldn't do anything there. What the fuck happened there? What in the sweet fairy fuck was that then? Because that seemed to, like, I don't know. Everything just seemed to happen. And, right, there we go. Right, I'm just going to try focus down one of them and see if I can get one killed. Jesus. Right, one down. That's already a good start. I'll just steal his stuff. This is already going infinitely better than the first time. You should have staggered, goddammit. Do you mind yourself? Right. At least at the very... I've got Spartan Rage if everything goes to shit. And then I can throw fat hands. But, yeah, I was going to say. That went considerably better than the first time. Thankfully. Right, last one. Okay, fair enough. Definitely not. Ow. Right, come here then. I knew Spartan Rage would be useful for something. And this guy's nearly fully staggered. Where the hell do you think you're going then? Right. I don't really know what happened to the camera there, but we'll run with it, I suppose. Right, come here, Nightmare. Right, now we just wander around her in circles, punching this thing in the face, I guess. Since there's no enemies about. No. Oh, well, that was kind of rude. But runic attacks and a few axe slashes. There we go. Done. I still don't think those trolls are all that threatening. So far, the worst things to deal with have been the fucking Wolverines. What is it with things and claws in games that I just can't deal with? Resident Evil 4, this. Honestly, give thing. You look kind of cool. But yeah, give things in games big ass claws and I'm fully finished.
Thought it best to vanish when Thor's idiot sons showed up.
Hello, boss man.
I can do whatever you need.
Yeah, you can't craft me any of these big bulky bastards though, can you? And they're all kind of shit anyway.
Nothing? Oh, okay.
Yeah. Actually, that reminds me. Armor. Oh. I have a lot of things that I've just not been using. Right. Increase damage of all axe throws by 6% stacks. Increase resistance to poison. Reduce all damage from Dark Elves attacks. High perk activation chance and grant protective barrier, preventing damage from enemy attacks on any successful parry. I'd love to, but I'm horrific. Moderate perk activation chance to grant blessing of cooldown on any successful block. I may as well just stick that in. Yeah, because I do throw my axe on occasion. What you got? I may as well just stick that on. And that one doesn't have one. Yeah, right, fair enough. Right. I think there's a chesty dude. Never mind. No, there isn't. Right. As I'm sure you can probably tell, ladies and gentlemen, we are going to be fighting the two tits, as I will refer to them shortly. Oh, actually, I say shortly. Literally 30 seconds from now.
Hurry, brother. We may get a piece of the chisel and be gone before they even notice.
We can hope. Oh.
Surrender. The old father demands it.
Shut the fuck up. Oh, where was the troll for about 5 minutes of that? Oh, I'm sorry, ladies and gentlemen, but when the game breaks like that, oh, that tickles the shit out of me. What the fuck happened there? He broke the neck of the invisible man, and then the troll just appeared.
No.
Oh, that was glorious.
Good.
You are so.
That's my boy. Go.
And here comes the wimpier one. Hello, boss man. Oh, you don't not fancy like breaking the neck of the invisible man?
Little freak's got a bow. What are we gonna do?
Oh, get your asses whooped. Oh, of course. I don't remember exactly how difficult this boss is, but I don't think it's that bad. I could be wrong, but I don't remember it being like super bad. Although, had I have remembered, if I'd have remembered this boss, if I'd have remembered this boss was this close, I'd have probably saved Spartan Rage since my health's... Oh, fair enough. I've got to get both of their healths down. Fair enough. Ah, balls. There we go. Yeah, it's this thing. This is their super secret move.
Why do you hunt us? What does Odin want?
Don't care. Come here.
Right. So yeah, we've just got to rotate and hopefully
Don't call me that.
get out of it. Thankfully, you've got the little indicators at the bottom of the screen, so not too difficult to figure out where they are.
Calm yourself, boy.
Yeah, calm down, boy. Do you mind attacking my boy? Don't fully know what that was, but no worries. That attack, like, you're meant to be a god, man. But you whiff that slash so pitifully. Okay. Okay, you know what? That was quite impressive. I'm just gonna grab that bit of health, though. Hey, leave my boy alone. My boy's very impressive. He helped me kill a dragon. Do you mind? Oh, well done. You actually managed to land that attack. Calm. I'll happily whoop your ass. Thank you, boy. See? Why would I be disappointed in him? He's whooping your little ass. Have that. Eat face. Eat face. That's not words. Yep, same thing. I don't fully know what they're saying, but it's
Don't talk about my mother.
lovely lightning bollock.
Don't listen to him, lad. Trying to rile you up.
Oh yeah, because now that we're on the second one, they fake out.
My sons of Thor are welcome to try.
Head!
Sorry, overstepped, yeah?
A little bit, mate. Oh shit! I didn't even see him there. Did he gain the powers of the Invisible Man? Have that, bugger off. But yeah, so now they start faking you out, and
This is my favourite. Heads up, assholes.
did you say heads up assholes while looking directly at us? Well done.
Stop it.
Boy! Stay focused.
Bugger off. I was gonna say I'm gonna need this health real quick. Yeah, you just deal with him, boy. I've got health to pick up. Sorted. Right. Boss man. Jesus, he takes a lot of damage from that. Thankfully, I can roll. Yeah, right. Magnet, Modi. Oh, right, that's what I was meant to do. Right, perfect. Oh. Please don't tell me I've got to do bloody thingy again. I can't be bothered. Alright. Yeah, well done. And there we go. Oh, lovely. Have that. Where's the other one gone? Right. Of course. We've got to do one more. Rule of 3 and all that. Or maybe not. Go on, boy. Shank him up. Come on, Kratos. Gotta finish this. This is my single favourite scene. Just because of how, like, that brutal it is. It shows how much of a beast Kratos is. Come. Oh, what a shot. Go on, boy. Calm down. You did very well. Your fever returns.
Fever has returned.
He'll be read.
No. It hasn't.
Boy,
You're coughing up blood, my man.
Coughing the blood. The boy's sick, he needs Freya.
No.
steady.
You good, boy?
I'll be alright.
Yeah.
There you go, lad.
Boss man.
I'm fine, see?
My guy, you can barely stand. But you did very well.
Keep an eye on him.
You got a cheeky little, like, neck shot. What's this? Frozen Flame. Yeah, can upgrade the axe again. Some alloy. Sick. Right, yeah, and that's Magni. Down like a bitch. But yeah, that's probably my favourite, like, bit of the game, to be quite honest. Just because of how, like, admittedly brutal Kratos decides to be. And a 2. Oh, I thought we were going to get a 3rd in. But no. Now we just have a perpetually burning chisel tip somehow. I don't fully get it neither.
Enough.
Should do. With that, we can carve a travel room to Jotunheim. Get
Perfect.
You where you need to go. Oh,
Us.
incidentally, all those magically sealed doors we've seen can now be unlocked. Like that one round the corner.
I was going to say, you mean like this one right here?
There, now that you've got the chisel.
Right. And balls. 1. I was going to say. Door? Do you want to... Right. So I just need to do it twice or something? What the fuck happened there? Anyway, let's just continue on.
Killed Mag.
Yeah.
He did.
He was a god. But you killed him.
Minor Aesir, perhaps. But I.
And his father's Thor.
Not minor. Not minor at all, him.
I'll be calm.
Go over well in Asgard.
It's alright.
Offended us.
I can throw hands with Thor too.
I fear no judgment.
Judgment, no. But if vengeance is any concern.
Nah.
How can you kill a god?
When you've got a big ass axe, boy. That's when. Right. I'm going to assume goodies are afoot. Okay, maybe not. I was kind of hoping this would lead me to how I get into there. But alas. Balls. Right, looks like I'm climbing again. Right, up we get. And a 2. And a 3. And a 4. And a 5. And a 6. And that's been your really, really basic maths lesson with Ryan. Right, boy, I'm going to need you to move the... Oh, I hear a Sindri.
Wait.
Not even been, mate, to be honest. Oh, wait, yes, I did. It's where I nearly died. So, no. A resounding, like, no. I'd rather like to keep my bits on the insides opposed to on the outsides. And that storeroom, yeah, yikes, that storeroom fucked me up.
Don't think the lad
You think? What gave it away?
If so, then keep up.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right, there. The... Oh, perfect. Right. I think I'm getting the hang of that little chisel-y thing.
I just realized.
What have you realised?
Back to life.
That is interesting.
Can the gods
No
return to life?
Naysayers find their own way to Valhalla. No Valkyrie escort, no processing at the gates of Helheim. That may be significant.
Okay, fair enough. No idea. I was going to say, are they meant to return to life? That's something the gods can just do? Because if so, I'm slightly concerned. I think that should blow that up, yeah. Give me crystal, and let's go see what's over here. I hate how slow Kratos jogs when he's got this fucking thing. Alright, enemy or goodies? Goodies. Lovely. What you got for me? Dust of Realms, nice. Ah. So we've got... Right, I'm gonna quickly blow this shit up then. Because I want to know what's ever's in this chest. Gimme. Thankfully there's not like a time limit on this shit. Because if there was... Alright boy, you're gonna come over here and shoot this for me? Okay, never mind, you can just shoot through walls apparently. Atreus has wall hacks, confirmed. I knew you were always a cheating little fucker boy. But, anyway, it will come in handy. Right, and now we're back where we started just about.
Giant's head. What is this place?
Fishermen would bring the day's catch into this port and use that contraption to send some of it
Oh,
directly
right.
to the Jarl's main kitchen. The rest were sorted and sold.
For some odd reason...
Exit under the thumb.
Oh.
Find a way across.
Right. For some odd reason, I thought hitting that would... Alright. But yeah, I thought hitting the top thing there would drop it for some reason. I don't necessarily know why I thought that, but I did. Righty-roo.
There's an opening.
I can get it.
Up you go, boy. So I'm assuming I've got to then shift boy across?
There's a path to the exit. On the other side.
Yeah, I was going to say I would be correct, yes.
There's a road here.
Shit. Right, where's my aimer gone? There it is. So I want to go back over there. In but a moment. Balls. I kind of thought Atreus would have done that, you know, for me, because he's a good son. But I suppose he is sick, so I'll let him off this time. He won't receive an axe to the face. You are taking the fucking piss. Right, what the hell's going on now? Right, game. There we go.
I think that did it.
I was going to say, game, you're going to need to, like, figure yourself out. For some reason, you just wanted to be a douche. Right. And away we go. That's an interesting fire animation. Right. First, silver. Goodies. And over we go. Don't know if there's actually anything down here worth having. Doesn't look like it, so we may as well just... Whoa. May as well just continue to the Chisley Doodah. Right, so... One there. Look for the circles, Ryan. Look for the circles. One there. Perfect. I don't think these doors ever get, like, exactly difficult. I think the most you ever have to do is, like, hit 3 of them. Opposed to 2.
We're almost there.
Right, so that's the way of progress. This is presumably the way of goodies. The way of mad fat loot. Oh. I was correct. It was the way of mad fat loot. However, mad fat loot I'd already grabbed. And, oh fuck's sake. I have to actually go the normal path. I can't just jump off of any random edge. How severely disappointing. Anyway, let us continue.
Everything we just did. Climbed around a dead giant, rode a giant falling hammer, fought some bad gods. What do you think Mother would say?
That
I think-
you have come a long way.
I think your mother would say, that's mad. Ooh, door. I may as well get it while it's here. That's the wrong spot. One. Knowing my luck though, I'm going to come across a bloody Valkyrie. Two. Where be me last one? Oh.
There's something over there.
Oh, come on. Balls. Oh. Somehow I got it. I don't fully know. Anyway. Pardon me. I apologise for that, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, a mural. What you got for me? Oh, this must be that stonemason dude.
It's Thamur, the giant stonemason. Is he building a wall around Jotunheim?
Yeah, that's the guy who... And yes, if I'm not mistaken, this is a Valkyrie chamber. Hidden chamber of Odin. Yeah. I'm not even going to attempt that, because I know it will beat my ass. I will do those. I'm pretty sure I will anyway. It might be a live stream, but I will do them. Since streams are kind of something that I do want to try and incorporate the best I can.
What now?
Right.
Maybe Freya ought to have a look at the boy.
No, I feel better now.
Yeah,
Just needed to
he's
get
alright.
back. Where do we go next?
Well,
In the direction of deer.
we need to learn the travel route to Jotunheim.
And how do we do that?
Carve it into that special gateway atop the peak. An open realm travel to the land of the giants.
You don't know it?
Alas, no.
Of course.
The serpent did mention that the giants had entrusted that secret to Tyr.
Because of course they did.
Aye. But his hidden boat is very much in
I've got a
use.
weird feeling in my chest, ladies and gentlemen. That's
Submerged
ever so slightly concerning.
until our snake friend shifted his weight.
Right.
We shall find the fabled Black Rune of Jotunheim.
Sounds
We
ominous.
could also explore some more. We got that chisel now, and that vault isn't going anywhere. Seems a shame to waste the boat.
We shall see, boy.
No, we're going to continue on the path, I think, boy. Or maybe we won't. I don't know. I'm definitely not... I might go back to that cavern
So
thing
what was it like
that we
when
were
you and
exploring.
Jack got married?
The peace held, and I
Since
couldn't believe all had
I
worked
don't
better than I could have planned.
don't think I'm
Odin's true
that much
faith
stronger,
paid
though.
off again in the end. He won Freya's trust, and she taught him some
Right.
of the magic.
I
and
think
other
it's this
sorcery.
way anyway that I've got to go. Back out of here.
Sadly,
Yeah.
despite his wise counselors' best efforts to persuade him that peace was the only true path to stave off Ragnarok, Odin never let
Right.
go of his obsession with Jotunheim.
Behind the lock.
Vanir magic led him to new
Right.
forms of experimentation
Where do we need to go? Over there. Sick.
and new levels of depravity.
Sounds about right for Odin, just casually being a colossal douche. As he tends to do. Right. I think I'm gonna ride me boat over to this dock. Open that door. And then probably call it a part, ladies and gentlemen. Because I think, all in all, it's been quite productive. I say that not knowing at all how long this recording is.
Behind that magical lock.
Right. Let's see if I can figure out how to use these doors again. Oh. On that. On that. And a triangle. Damn it. No, I was still there we go. I was still technically correct. It was a triangle, just in the opposite direction to the one I thought.
Wow. Can't believe we're setting foot in Tyr's vault.
Alright. Yeah, so
Another one of these.
since we're at a pretty good, I think, stopping point anyway, I'm going to have a nice save of the game. And yeah, I'm going to leave it here, ladies and gentlemen, as always. If you have enjoyed, please let me know by leaving a like, subscribing, leave me a comment, do all the lovely YouTube things, follow me on Twitter, and yeah, I think I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.